In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch multiple objects at once in AutoCAD Quick Trick. This is a fast, reliable way to reshape parts of your drawing without redrawing anything, and it works beautifully on lines, polylines, and many other editable objects. Start by opening your drawing, then type stretch in the command line and press enter. You can also click in the command line area first to make sure it's active. This tells AutoCAD exactly which editing tool you want to use, so the next clicks will be interpreted correctly. Now it's time to choose what you want to stretch. Use a crossing selection window to select the portions of objects you want to move. A crossing window is the selection that grabs anything the rectangle touches, not just what's fully enclosed. Drag across the ends, corners, or segments you want to pull. You're not picking whole objects here, you're targeting the parts that need to shift. If you're unsure what's being captured, zoom in a little and make sure the window passes over the specific vertices or edges that should move. If objects don't stretch later, it usually means the crossing window didn't touch the right portions. Press enter to confirm the selection. This step locks in what will be affected so you can focus on the move itself. If you accidentally selected too much or too little, you can press escape to start the selection again or use undo afterward. Next, specify a base point for the stretch. Think of the base point as your hinge or handle. It can be a corner, an endpoint, or any snap point that gives you a clear reference. Use object snaps like endpoint or midpoint for precision, or pick a point in free space if you just need a relative move. The base point doesn't have to lie on the selected geometry, but it should be a point that makes sense for your alignment. Finally, specify a second point to set the direction and distance of the stretch. Move your cursor to preview the change. Turn on ortho if you want a perfectly horizontal or vertical stretch, or use polar tracking for angled control. For exact changes, type a distance or a coordinate, then press enter. You can also snap to another point in the drawing to match an existing location. If the outcome isn't what you expected, undo and try a slightly different selection window or base point. That's it. Type stretch, make a crossing selection, confirm, pick a base point, and set your second point. With a little practice, you'll reshape multiple objects in seconds while keeping everything aligned and accurate.